Hello there, and welcome to this Year 6 maths test. So here we've got a mixture of various questions on reasoning maths. So let's have a look at this first question together. So William asks the children in Year 2 and Year 6 if they walk to school. This graph shows the results. Altogether, how many children don't walk to school? Okay, so we have here in our key, two squares. One is yellow, which means walking to school, and the other one says don't walk to school. So in this case, we're going to be looking at just the green shading on our bars, which show us that children do not walk to school. So first of all, let's work out Year 6, and let's try and somehow apportionately put this together. So let's start with Year 2 first of all. So with Year 2, I am now going to make a line from the right to the left. If you can see it. No? Okay, let's try something different. So here we go. So we're looking at the green bars, remember? We're looking at the green bars here. So for Year 2, we have roughly 110 students who do not walk to school, okay? Because on the left-hand side axis, we've got the number of children. For Year 6, we've got roughly 90 children who do not walk to school. So now we can just add these up. So 0 add 0 is 0, 9 add 1 is 10, 0 goes there, 1 is carried forward, and 1 add 1 is 2. So altogether, we have 200 children that are not walking to school from Years 2 and Year 6. Okay, so that's the right answer here. Try your best with the rest of the questions, and let's see how far you get. And in our next follow-up class, we'll test you together and go through the corrections together as well. Thank you.